And here's how to make your GitHub repository private to public. First of all, go to GitHub and log into your account. And in this left-hand menu here, you'll find all of your repositories. Now click on the repository that you want to make public. And here, as you can see, currently this repository is a private repository. Now to make it public, go to settings, and under settings you have to click on collaborators. And here we can see this is a private repository. Now to make it public, click on manage, and here under danger zone we can see change repository visibility. Click on change visibility, and here click on change to public. Click on I want to make this repository public. I have read and understand these effects. Make this repository public, and that's it. Your private repository now will be a public repository, just like so. Thanks for watching.